Previously on Cook Like Chris.
We heat up our pan a little hot. You can tell by how quickly the butter's melting. So we take our eggs, pour it out into the pan. It was a little too hot, as you can see. I'm so happy about how these cheesy scrambled eggs turned out.
Today on Cook Like Chris.
Record. Good. Stupid COVID. Gotta do everything myself. Hi folks, welcome back to Cook Like Chris with Chris Cook. I'm your host, Chris. On today's episode, we're going to be making scrambled eggs. And I know you're thinking, hey Chris, you've done scrambled eggs already, but this one is going to be a little bit different. This time we're going to be doing scrambled eggs in the microwave. Probably wondering why this looks a little weird, although all of our episodes to this point have been shot during COVID times. This is the first time it's being shot during my city's code red restrictions, so I'm all by myself, literally. That's why it's going to look a little different. Still going to be a good episode. Let's check out what we'll need. Is a cup, an egg, 1 or 2, depending on what you like, salt and pepper, a little bit of oil, a bit of milk, and of course, a microwave to cook with. First things first, all we're going to do is we're going to take our cup here, and Chris pro tip, we're going to add a bit of oil to the cup and just mix it all around so that the egg doesn't stick to the cup when it's cooking. Step 2, we're going to add our egg to the cup. Step 3, we're going to add a little bit of milk, and then we're going to add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Okay, now I'm just going to take my fork, mix it out. I'm going to stir that up, and that's it. It's prepped and ready to go. All we have to do now is put it in the microwave. So here we go, into the microwave. And what I do it on is sort of like 30-second bursts. So just 30 seconds here. See what it looks like after 30 seconds. See, not a whole lot done. It doesn't actually really need to do much scraping. Now we'll put it back in. Put it in for another 30 seconds. Oh, looking pretty good. Okay, it's all done. Now I'm going to just take my fork and sort of scoop around the sides and make sure it's kind of mixing up properly. Perfect. Last thing we need to do is plate it. Oh yeah, that looks good. Yeah, it turned out really well, especially for something that only took 2 minutes to make. It's nice and fluffy. You know, it's simple to go. If I had some toast, bam, full breakfast. I'm really happy about how my scrambled egg turned out. Please let me know in the comments down below how your scrambled egg in a cup turned out. Thanks again for joining us on Cook Like Chris with Chris Cook. If there's a recipe you find online that you'd like us to tackle, you can leave that down in the comments below. As always, like and subscribe. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. So until next time, stay safe, and we'll see you later. Bye.